Welcome to the new series of Tableau. In this series, we will look at various features of Tableau, what Tableau can do, and what is the use case of Tableau. And we will also see some mini projects related to Tableau. So, in this video specifically, today's agenda is like we can look at the introduction of Tableau. So, what is Tableau basically? Tableau, it helps to create a great visuals. All right, whether you are working in a data analytics field or data science field, companies or businesses require great visuals to understand what data is saying and make decisions out of it. So to make great visuals, you can use Tableau basically. Without Tableau also you can create great visual, but it will be a lot of complex and most expensive way. Using Tableau, it's very easy. So let's just get into it. You can just download Tableau from tableau.com and go for a free trial if you want, or you can purchase it afterwards. But if you want just to learn, then go for free trial. It goes for 14 days or so. There is another way you can use the public version of it, where the some restrictions will be there, like you can not like store it in your local or file or so, but you can go for either of it. I would suggest go for the trial version and try it out. Create your account and install it on your desktop. Alright, after doing that, you will see a screen like this. So what you have to do, we will just see a very quick demo that what Tableau can do by using a small demo. So we need a dataset for it, right? So you will get a dataset in description below. Just go there and download it from my GitHub account, one and store it in your local. So this is Excel file. All right, this is a data of US Superstore. This is 2015 data. US Superstore data it is. If you open it in Excel, you will see something like this. You will see a lot of column like how many transactions. Each row indicates that how many transactions it happened, and row ID, customer name, how much discount, unit price, and how much profit it has, how much profit it gained, how much loss. The minus value indicates loss, the plus value indicates profit. City, country, region, state or province, all of this. So using this data, so you can see like just reading this data is not enough. We want sometimes a visual representation to get the idea, right? So let's get into it. Let's go to the Tableau, and on left hand side to a file section you will find Microsoft Excel, right? Just import the Microsoft Excel by clicking of it. Okay. After doing that, it will take you to its workspace, connections, and this screen will be visible, right? So on left hand side you can see it has already take like analyze like orders are there, returns are there, users are there. So you can just click on orders and drag it to the middle orders table, right? You can see orders, right? So they are saying like these are all the orders, all the columns are orders. All right. So you can real quick see the orange button on left bottom. It says sheet 1. Just click on it. It will open a sheet for you where you will see all the visuals, On left hand side, you will see the tables and its columns, right? So let's say you want the country. Click on country and drag it to the sheet, middle of the sheet. Just wait for a while. Okay, see, we have reflected country over here. The country is USA. You can see the map of USA. Now there are various provinces over there. Provinces as in state. Alright, the state provinces. So I want to show those as well. So let's say there are state or province. Just drag it to the middle and put it there. See, as soon as you drag the province, it is giving you these dots that shows and reflects each province. If you hover over it, you will see the Washington is there, the California, my favorite, the Oregano, the New York, all those provinces are there, or 50 provinces, I believe. Then you want to show some color coding with, let's say, profit. I want to know what the profit is with the color coding. So what I do, I will bring this profit and take it to the color and release it there. Now you can see all the provinces have different color codings instead of just points, right? So each color reflects the different provinces or states, and you will see the profit as well. As soon as we hover over it, you will see the three terms, that country, state of province, and profit that we took. You see country, state of province, and profit. Alright. But I want to show this profit number 37422 over the image. Right? How we can do that? You take that profit one more time and go to label them. Now see, you can label the profit numbers as well, the values as well. Alright. Let's say if you want to just bold it out and make it a little bit bigger, what you can do, click on label, go to font, just increase the font a little bit, let's say 12, and bold it out. That's it. You can see this is how you can do and create the visualizations in Tableau. See how simple it is. So in our further lectures, we will deep down into uh, small features and various features of the Tableau. We will create fantastic visualizations with the help of Tableau. I hope you must have liked it. So please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. Thank you.